Hey everybody, happy Sunday. It is Sunday, November 8th, and this is the beginning of the Stack It Collab YouTube hop. First of all, I would like to thank Tiffany and Brittanee for inviting me to this amazing hop. It's going to be great. So, every weekend for the next 4 Sundays, we are going to be doing a project. There's 11 other ladies that are doing this hop, and each Sunday we're going to have a specific project that each of us are going to do. They give us a YouTube video and just some inspiration. So without further ado, my inspiration for this hop, for this first project, it is a stacked envelope hop for this weekend. So the project is stacked envelopes. Now, I kind of wasn't sure which direction to go, but I thought, well, hey, Christmas is coming, right? You can do this project that I'm doing with so many different papers. It's crazy. It's awesome. So, and I'll show you a few different things that you can do with this project, okay? So, first of all, I started off with, let me just show you, the Celebrate Christmas collection by Lori Whitlock. And also, so I used an entire collection pack, and I also used the Coordinating Solids paper pack. Okay, so I used that for this project, for the envelopes. So I'm going to show you what I did here. This is silk ribbon. I don't know, silk just makes everything look better. This is off of the sticker sheet from one of the previous collections that I had. It's out of my stash. So it's a silk ribbon, of course, right? This is one of the cut aparts from the collection. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I used temporary adhesive just to stick this on, but I can just slide it off. So I'm sliding it. So see, this is from the sticker pack. Okay, and what I'm saying when I say sticker pack, I'll show you. So Echo Park and a lot of the other companies generally have a banner that you can use, okay, on their sticker packs. This one has 3, so it has this holly, berries, and leaves, and then it has the trucks, and then it has the Merry Christmas. If you get the actual big collection pack together, this sticker sheet comes with it. So if you guys are looking to make it, I will put down all of the links below. Okay, so I didn't really decorate it up, and I'm going to show you why. First of all, the whole point of the hop for this specific project was to have envelopes stacked. So what I did was I used my envelope punch board, okay, and I made a bunch of envelopes. So, but the way I stacked mine is I stacked it so that it would open, okay, and then it would open, and then it would open, right? And then what I did is I thought this would be a wonderful gift to give to somebody that loves to give cards, right? So what I did was I made separate cards, and this is, the cards are smaller than the envelopes, okay? You can, of course, make a card to fit in here if you only want to use it for cards. That's all fine and dandy. But I thought, okay, we can make this and have cards, right, with the envelope and put it inside. But then when you're done, you can turn this into a mini album. So look, I put all these cards in here. I'll just take out a few just to show you. So this was, again, with a previous Echo Park collection, right? Okay, so there's just some of the cards. I have cards in every single one of these. And I also put for the 12 Days of Christmas countdown. So everyone has a number, right? 2, 3, and it goes all the way down to here. Right? Oh, the cards are falling out. Look at Isn't this great? Look at it. See, and there's a card with an envelope in every single one. Right? And then the last one, because it's the 12th day, so this would be the back. Right? I just put this. So all these numbers as well, I just put temporary adhesive. Okay? And this rubs off. Alright? Like that. So, put that back there. So we're going to fold it back up because I want to show you what you can do with this is if you do not want to make the separate cards, okay, you can also make the cards the same size as this, and I temporary adhesive these, okay, and you can just take these off on each day, right? Temporary adhesive. Now this rubs off. I'm not going to rub it off because they're going to stick back together, but it rubs off, right? And you can seal the envelope with this. So say you got a special friend, you want to send them one card every day for a Christmas countdown. Wouldn't that be fun? Just everybody get a card, right? Awesome. So, or what you can do is you can make the cards, and if you're giving it to a fellow scrapbooker, right? Y'all must remember back in the day we used to make envelope albums, things like that. You could make this into an album. Huh? Wouldn't that be nice? So you could take these, make it permanent, and put your picture in here. You could put some journaling cards in here. You can have anything you want. You can use, so this here, I just grabbed some blank cards. Okay, you can use these to make flip pages. You can put it in here. Right, so it's double duty. Right? You can give these cards away because they have their own separate card and envelope that fit inside. Right? So that is my project. And what I'm going to do is, there's two things. So I'm going to give away something. And if you've watched this far, you're going to see this. If you didn't watch, you ain't getting it. Just saying, you're not entered. Just saying. Okay? So here's what I'm going to give away. This is, of course, because I love my mini albums. So this is the Echo Park. This is an older one, but it's a mustache, okay? So I'm going to give away this 6x8 album, okay? I love the buffalo check plaid. You have a nameplate on the side of the spine, okay? And you can fit whatever you want in there. And then I'm also going to give away with it, because everybody has a hard time finding these. I don't know why. I have a store. I don't have a hard time finding them. Okay, so this here fits in the 6x8 albums, alright? And it's a 3x4 picture combo up here. And then you can also put a 4x6 picture in the bottom. So, hold on. I'm going to run and get you an example. Come on. I'm in my store. Sorry. I was like, I left it up front. Okay, so here's just an example of some of the things that you can do with these little sheets, right? You can make a little pocket thing because it's a ring binder. This one is a 4x6 and a 4x6 on top and bottom, right? You can put things in here. It's very glary, isn't it? Wow. Right? This is an older album. I did this at a retreat. And actually, Tiffany, you were there. I'm pretty sure you were there. So Tiffany would recognize this, right? So these are just some of the ideas. So this is the actual sheet that comes with it. This, and this. Okay? So yeah, that's what I'm giving away. Alright? And the way you guys are going to be entered into this, I want you guys to go to Pear Tree Treasures on Facebook. So it's just Pear Tree Treasures. Okay? And I'm going to put a post on Pear Tree Treasures. Okay? And the way you're going to get this is you're going to comment in the box below, and you're going to say 12 Days of Christmas. Okay? And you will then be entered into this You will be entered to win this, okay? First thing you got to do, Pear Tree Treasures, Facebook. Go, like, comment on the post. You'll find the post on the page. Then, also, comment below, okay? And that makes you eligible. Oh, wait, there's one more thing. You also have to go, and I know you guys are going to be so mad at me, all the ladies in the hop. I want you guys to go on the other ladies' posts. All the links are going to be below. You guys got to go visit them, watch their video, and I want you to comment 12 days. That's all I want you to put. Don't put 12 days of Christmas because, you know, and thank them for the projects that they've made. So be sure and follow all of them because they're going to have a ton of super amazing projects. I personally have not seen them, so I can't wait. I'm going to be watching with you guys. I might even see you here and be commenting as I go. Okay, guys, thanks very much for watching. And I'm thinking probably this week, since my camera's working now, my computer's up and running, I'm going to do a little quick tutorial on this just for you guys to do it. I'm going to be doing a card kit as well. And next Sunday, I will show you the cards, and if you guys are interested, you can pop over to shop.peartreetreasures.ca and go to kits. I'll leave the link below. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You never know, there's a lot of guy card makers out there. Thank you very much for popping in on my YouTube hop. And I hope you guys have a super awesome Sunday, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.